So what's up guys, welcome to Python tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be looking at dictionaries. Okay, so let's get started. I will create one file, and I will save this file on the desktop with the name dictionary dictionaries.py. And now let me just show you how to create a dictionary. So I will create a dictionary as a student. Okay, so when it comes to a dictionary, you just have to give the name of your dictionary, then equal to sign, then curly brackets, and inside of this we have something known as the keys and the values. Okay, so first of all, let me just give a key known as a name, then the double quotes, and then again double quotes. Okay, then give the comma, press enter, then give the age. And when you are making use of number, okay, so integer values, you don't have to give the double quotes. Okay, integers cannot, you cannot define the integers inside of double quotes, because it is not a string. Only strings goes inside of the double quotes. And when it comes to the keys have to be defined with the double quotes. Okay, and now I will say phone, and I will give some random number, which is basically the phone number of a person. And then I will give the random key as a book. You can give whatever you want, and I will say Python book. Okay, so this is how you should be declaring a dictionary. So now your question might be, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is basically the collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are basically written with the curly brackets, and they have something known as the keys and the values. So whatever that you see over here on the left hand side, these are keys, and whatever that is there on the right hand side of these two columns, these two dots, what you see, this is known as columns, this is known as a value, and this is the name of your dictionary. And right from the open curly bracket to the close curly bracket, this is known as the scope of your dictionary. Okay, so inside the dictionary you can pass the key value pairs. And when it comes to the dictionary, everything is on order. You can put this in any order. You can change the values of them. Okay, so you can make use of the statements from outside and change the values of these keys, and everything is indexed. Okay, so in the sets we have seen the content gets changed when it is executed, but over here you will find the name on the index 0, age on the index 1, phone number on the index 2, and book at index 3, and whatever that you write down below will find on the index 4, index 5, and the order goes on. So basically this is how you declare your dictionary. And now if suppose I want to give the printout of my dictionary, I will say print student. You can give any name. I have given the name as a student. I will execute this code, and now I'm getting the output, which is name Akshay, age 23, phone number blah blah blah, and book Python. Okay, so now if you want to access a specific item, then you can do that. I will declare a variable x, and to that variable I will assign that particular item what I'm accessing. Okay, so I will make use of the student, and after student you should be making use of the square brackets, and inside of that you have to specify the key name. If I want to access the age of this dictionary, I mean if I want to access the age of the student, then I will say age. Okay, and now I will give the printout of this variable, which is x. Okay, so now if I'm just running this, then I will get the output as 23. I am getting this output as 23 because what I have done is I have made a reference to the dictionary, and the name of my dictionary is student, and the key over here is age. Okay, so uh, corresponding to our age I have the value as 23, and because of which this 23 will be printed over here, and this value 23 from the dictionary will be getting assigned to this variable x, and it will be getting printed down below. Okay, Now let me just comment out this entire code. You can use this afterwards. You will find the link of this code somewhere, uh, also somewhere in this course only. Okay, so now if I'm declaring another variable over here, and I'm just saying student dot, I can even make use of get function. I will say student dot get phone, and I'm just giving the printout of this. Then let's just see what output we get. I'm getting the phone number. Okay, so basically with the help of the get function also you can access the values of your dictionary. Okay, so this concept could be again used in the Python Django and all. Python Django is framework of Python which we will be looking in the future. Now if suppose I want to change the values inside of my dictionary, then I can do that as well. Okay, so now let me show you how to change the values inside of our dictionary. So what I'll do, I will specify the name of my dictionary, then the key what I want to change. If suppose I want to change the phone number, I will say phone number, and then I will assign 20, not 23, I will assign some different number. I will save this, and okay, I have to give the printout as well. Okay, so I will say student, I will save this and execute the code over again. And now as can be seen, name is Akshay, age is 23, and the phone number has been changed. Okay, so previously phone number was starting with 69 something, and now it is 834966. So this is how you can change the values. If suppose now I want to change in now if suppose I want to change the name of the student, then I can do that. I will say student, and I will change the name now. Then okay, so now as can be seen, name of the student have been changed. Okay, so this is how you can make changes to your dictionary. You can change the values of your dictionary by executing such commands. Okay, so now if I want, I can make use of the for loop, and I can print the items of my dictionary. Okay, so I will say in for z in student, print z. So as can be seen, now I am getting the name, age, phone number, and the book, which are basically the key names. Okay, so if I want to access these key names, then I can make use of the for loop, and I can execute the for loop to access them. But if suppose I want to access these values, then how I can access these values is, we can specify the name of our dictionary, and in between of these square brackets we just have to pass this index. Okay, so basically over here this z will be acting as an index, and it will just go on printing those corresponding values. Okay, so now if I'm just running this, it will be giving me the values rather than the keys. Okay, so now I'm getting Akshay 23, then the phone number, and the book is Python. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the for loop and access the values of your keys from your dictionary. Now in our previous classes we have seen how to make use of the pop function. Pop function is basically used to remove some particular item from our list or set. We have seen that in the previous classes, but in this class we will see how to pop out any key. So basically what I'll do is I will define name of our dictionary, then I will be specifying the pop function, and inside of the pop function I'll be passing my key. Okay, so now if I want to pop the book, then I will be saying pop book, then I will give the printout. I will give the printout of my dictionary, and I will give the printout. Okay, so now I am getting the dictionary as name Akshay, age 23, and phone number this, and book key pair, and the value has been dropped. Okay, so this is how you can pop out any value that you don't want. And now if you want to delete something, then you can make use of the del. Now let me show you how to make use of the del inside of this. Okay, so now I will say del, which is basically used to delete something. Then I will make use of my dictionary, and inside of the square brackets I will specify the name of the key which I want to drop. I will say age, and after that I will be giving the printout of student. I will execute this. Okay, so now I'm getting name Akshay, I'm not getting age, then I'm getting phone number and book. Okay, so this is how you can delete some key and the value pair. If you delete the key, the corresponding value will be automatically getting deleted. Okay, so next what we will see is how to delete your dictionary. Okay, so uh, now I've shown you all how to delete a particular key, but if you want to delete the entire dictionary, then you can do that as well. You just have to say del, then the name of your dictionary, and if I'm now giving the printout of my dictionary, which is a student, I won't be getting any results. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm not getting any result because our dictionary, which is student, has been deleted because of this del. And after that I'm giving the printout of my dictionary, and since this del has been executed before this print statement, which means basically our dictionary will be deleted first, then we are trying to print a dictionary which actually don't exist because it got deleted, and because of which we got that error. Okay, so now if I am commenting on this code, okay, so now I'm commenting this code, and now I will make use of the clear. Okay, so you can even make use of clear function to clear your dictionary. Okay, so now if I'm just saying name of the dictionary dot clear, that means whatever key value pairs that are there inside of my dictionary will be getting erased. And now if I'm just giving the printout of student, I don't think we will be getting any key value pairs. So as can be seen, I'm just getting the curly brackets. Initially whenever I used to give printout, inside of this curly brackets it used to give the key and the value pairs, but as of now it has just pasted those these curly brackets, and no value has been given inside of it. Okay, so this is because we have made use of the clear function, which actually clears the data. Okay, so now we have done with the dictionary. So thanks for watching, and now if you have any doubts, just go and watch this entire video over again. Your doubts will be getting clarified, and this is the reference code which I'll be giving you all guys. Just go and search for these codes inside of this course, and you will find them. Okay, so thanks for watching.